Hello, welcome to AC Studio. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you the latest progress of my scratch build Land Raider. I have been spending the whole month, the last month, working on the hull of the tank. As you can see, that is the latest progress. I have finished the opening, the front opening, the ramp door, and you can see the upper part. You can open like this. And the lower part, which is the big ram door, I haven't fixed onto the tank yet, and I'll fix it onto the hull later on. I have some issues with the weight of this door because this door is actually quite heavy, and when I put it on, it came loose. So every time when I try to put it on, it kind of loose. You see, it's actually quite loose on the hinge. Probably going to solve the issue with magnets. So I'm going to put some magnets onto it, so I can get it fixed securely without it being loose. And that's how it looks like. So yep, it's getting very close. The reason why I start painting the front is, I got upcoming figures, for example, the Tatmarine. I would like to post the Tatmarine together with the tank. So I try to finish up the front part of it first. And it looks like it is one piece together. No, I haven't put it together yet. Just for this video, I'll put it together. So give me one sec. So I haven't done anything on the tracks yet, so it's all here. Haven't done anything on it. And let me put it away for a sec. So this is the interior, and this is the top of the hull, right? At the moment it's still in beaten pieces. I haven't put them together. And this is the openable hatch. So that's how it looks like. And beaten pieces on the top of the hull as well. And one of the special features that I have done on the tank is the weapon bay here, right? I can either put a bolter or the laser cannon in it. As you can see here, that is a little kind of like circle, which I utilize to use it as a control for turning the bolters. So it can rotate if I actually rotate this thingy, right? And the construction is actually quite simple. So if I put this thing off, this is the hat piece, and I put out. You see, I haven't put everything together yet. So yep, and that is the top, and that is the piece together like that, and that's the piece. So I'll put it together like that, and that is why it can turn like this. See? So that is the interior. So interior, you can see the 4 finishes is done. And I haven't got any other details yet, but for now, that's good enough. On the ceiling, you can see little holes there. There are actually lights in there. So I have this button battery LED lights, which has 20 lights. And if I put the lights on, and that's how it looks like. It got lights on it. So that's it. The hull is all made of cardboard, you see. At the moment, it's not very stiff, but it will be very stiff together once I put the tracks next to it. And also I have allowed a little opening in the back. The reason is I can allow, if I put closer, I can allow my camera to fit inside the hull to take photos of it or take videos on the figures inside. So you have to be quite precise because all my measurements are within 1 millimeters differences, right? It cannot be more than 1 millimeters. If it is more, I'll have trouble fitting things together. So you can see here, everything fits really nicely, right? It takes longer than expected. I thought that the hull would be easy, but because of the geometry, triangular corners like this, and shape like that, found it a little bit tricky. But so far it's okay. I won't say I really enjoy working on the hull because it takes longer than expected. So I find it boring. But at least the movable parts has been done. The hardest part has been done. Like the doors are probably the hardest thing to do in the hull of the Land Raider. So this is all done anyway. All these geometry are a little bit difficult to do because there are a lot of like minor details and different geometry, but it's okay, it's all done anyway, so I'm happy with it. So this is probably the end of the review for the time being, and please come back later. Still got a long way to go. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Show you the sideway as well. and it's getting there slowly. So I cannot wait to see that. See? Anyway, looks nice. Looks very nice. And then, oops. And I'll speak to you next time. I'll keep going with it. It's actually very tiring working on something that big. But yeah, so far so good. Anyway, and I'll talk to you next time, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.